This is going to turn into a substantial water storage tank, which you could use in the event of an emergency, or if you're just harvesting rainwater, any of those kind of uses, it's going to be perfect for that. Comes with a couple different cool little adapters for the kit, as well as a repair kit, a valve for hooking it up to however you want to hook it up. In any case, I think we need to set it up, put some water in here, see how it works out. Okay, it is full. It is actually over full, and I'm letting it go because I just think it makes a nice fountain. If you're looking for a fountain wherever you're going to store your water, this works really nicely as a fountain. All right, I've completed the filling process. I'll put the cap, the nice cap that comes with it on there. And wow, is this good. This is so good for so many different things, right? There is an absolute ton of water in here. It is impressive how much water goes in this small of a size. If you were to try to move this, you would realize just how much water. Speaking of this, these tie downs are phenomenal. So you could even use this like in the back of your pickup if you were going on some sort of adventure and you wanted to bring water, or an RV or a boat, something like that. But I sit here and I look at this and I think here in South Florida, about every other week, there's some news flash, oh, there's a storm coming, you should fill up your bathtub with water, blah, blah, blah. And who the heck wants to drink the water out of the bathtub? I know I don't. So I'm sitting here looking at this and thinking, you could fill this up and it would be good for the season and you wouldn't have to keep going through that cycle. That would be a great option. I'm just not going to tell Nikki about it because she's going to make me find some place to put this in the house and actually do that. But I'm going to suggest it to you as a great use for this. This is so solid, so cool. I don't know why, but I'm very excited by this water tank. I'm not sure why I'm so excited by this water tank, but I am. I love this thing so much. Anyway, I've been getting a little silly here. It's late in the day. I'm going to say, I hope this was helpful. If you need any more information, put it in the comments below. I'm happy to share what I know. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share the, oh, my personal request, share this with your mother-in-law. She does not want to see this, but if you want to have some fun getting at her, share it with your mother-in-law. It helps the channel. Hope this has been helpful. We'll see you next time.